Good morning guys, Yunus here. Today I'm in Chengdu and I'm going to have a Chengdu city tour. And because this is my first time to be here, so I decided to explore this beautiful and developed city. And can you see behind me, this is the warrior rabbit. So I am traveling in Chengdu during this Chinese New Year, and this is most important and influenced festival in China to attract the whole world. We foreigners really enjoy this Chinese festival because they celebrate so amazingly. So that is the reason I'm here to see how is Chengdu during this festival. Like, it's crowded already, okay? Without this festival, without any festival, Chengdu is so crowded. But during this festival, Chengdu is more crowded, and I wanted to see its beauty. You can see it's around 1 o'clock in afternoon, and these streets are already crowded with people. And first, we need to have some food, I guess.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah.
This is my second stop to buy a coffee. This coffee shop looks nice.
I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. Be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need.
This is one of the symbol of Chengdu. It is a part of Majiang, and this called Fa means rich. You know, when you have this, it means you are rich. Mahjong, if you never played, you try to watch some videos and learn how to play this Mahjong. It's so funny, but it's hard. This is the first place I have visited today. This is People's Park. You can see this kind of parks every major city in China. It's huge, beautiful. They are made because of peoples of China, even foreigners as well. And we really enjoy visit these places to enjoy, to spend some quality time. And you have seen there are some Chinese, i.e. they were dancing. There is a tea house and it's totally crowded. I couldn't find a single table where I can sit and enjoy the tea. Because of the weather, it's a little bit cold, so everyone just visit that tea house in this People's Park. It's huge and beautiful. They are drinking and I wanted to drink but I couldn't find any place to drink. And if you visit this kind of park, you really enjoy, and I really feel very relaxing this moment after visiting this. And during this Chinese New Year, they decorated this park for the Chinese New Year. You can see there are some red lantern. It's so beautiful looking, so nice and so crowded. Like old people are visiting, young people are visiting, no matters. You know, so many people said that parks are made for only old people. It's totally wrong. Young people also enjoy this park. And yeah, during this Chinese festival, it's totally loaded of people. There is an amusement park in the People's Park. If you have kids or you bring someone's kids, they can also enjoy in this amusement park. It's so big, it's really big, not very small. Your kids will definitely enjoy, and you can enjoy the nature in the park, and you can drink the tea as well. This is the corner where you can find your marriage partner. So this corner is called romance park of people's park. So these papers has written some criteria like they are finding some male or female. So it's very special. These corners are everywhere in major cities where you can find your marriage partner. So I'm also checking some papers. So these are the selection criteria where you can see, and the age and the contact number you can find. I don't know why they all just started. Sorry. This is the second place I have visited today. This is the 52 Toys store, and there are many stores across China. This store is famous because it's blind boxes. So you spend some money and you buy the blind box. So there could be like very expensive toys, or there might be something very cheap toy. So except that, you can also buy the separate toys like such as the Spider-Man and this Iron Man, and there are very limited pandas toys edition. So very limited, you can only buy from this 52 toys store, and this is very famous place in Chengdu. Lots of influencers from TikTok, they come here, they record some videos about it, and yeah, it's very famous. And there are so many good toys. Not only kids come here to buy, also adults come here to buy, you know, big, nice. I just like, you know, this kind of big. Even they have bigger sizes. If you don't like the small sizes, you can order and they can arrange the bigger toys. So I personally like the pandas limited editions. They are very cute, nice, and you can see the Mickey Mouse editions, and it's a bit costly, like 3500 RMB. It's not that expensive, but it could be more expensive. So this is the tour of 52 Toys store. This is the year of rabbit. China has total 12 animals. So every year they celebrate different animal. Last year was tiger, and this year is rabbit. Like everywhere you can see these kind of statues of rabbit. It looks cute, lovely, and everyone is, you know, taking pictures, making videos with rabbit. I'm in Chengdu, and I have seen some different way how Chinese people in Chengdu did different way to celebrate it. So there are so many stores of Lao Ma Tudo. In the shop they sell the head of rabbit and meat of the rabbit. So Chengdu people eat the rabbit during this festival. It's so funny. I also tried. This is my third tourist attraction of the day, encounter of tradition and modernity. This place is well known for two reasons. The first is that it contains three alleys that were built 300 years ago. The first alley is wide, and you can buy some Sichuan snacks while walking around. The second alley is narrow, and you can see so many stylish coffee shops and bistros while walking around. And the third alley is this one where I'm standing. The second reason people go there is because it glows at night and looks so lovely, as you can see in this video. This is the fourth destination on the tour today, Taikoli. This is Chengdu's largest shopping district area, is directly behind me. Built around an ancient, well-preserved temple, it is situated in the city core. It's unusual to find such a well-preserved historical artifact in the middle of the metropolis. Next to it is IFS, another well-known shopping area in Chengdu. It is well known because nearly all upscale brands have stores here, and they all have independent double-story buildings. This allows for a wide variety of products to be displayed in the stores, whereas large cities like Beijing, Shenzhen, Guangzhou, Shanghai do not. For someone as wealthy as you, this might be heaven. But for someone like me, it's just a spot where I can record the videos for you. this is the final destination of today. You can see behind me, this is the huge screen. You can watch beautiful opera. Lots of tourists come here to see this beautiful scene, and also come to enjoy boating. You can see the water and they play like an opera or dancing. This location looks so awesome and peaceful. I'm feeling enjoying here. I hope you can like this video. I spent the whole day recording this for you, for who haven't visited Chengdu, and you can also save this video for yourself when you come to Chengdu. This video will definitely help you, and you can share to your friends who wanted to visit Chengdu. I really enjoy being in Chengdu, really. Tomorrow I'm going to see pandas. That is symbol of China and Chengdu, and I believe so I'm gonna so much fun there, and you will also enjoy to watch that video, and hopefully you will subscribe to my channel so you won't miss that video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.